I think my camera stopped when I was trying to show y'all how to do this.
Hello talking there, nigga, that snitch. I ain't been up on the block in a minute.
Okay, so my phone wanted to act stupid and I have enough storage, so a lot of these clips will seem kind of random to y'all, but basically what happened was I washed my hair, I blew it out, and I started braiding. This is, shut up. It was,
Nobody, period.
this took 3 days for me to do, and I didn't think trying to do 3 days worth of recording was not going to fit on my phone, so it was just random. But yeah, I was trying to show y'all how to do the braid and all that in this next clip or whatever, but I just wanted to explain that just in case y'all see different lighting or different clothings, whatever, I don't know.
Different lighting, guys.
Shut up. So I'm just going to pull down the next section. So I'm going to get my pieces, like I said, on part 6 small pieces, like small. So I'm going to take your gel or your extra, whatever you prefer. You're going to put it at the top and you're going to put it at the bottom just to kind of, you know, slick it. And I blew my hair out yesterday for no reason. I really didn't have to. I could have just left it in braids, but I just gotta be a tad bit special ed. Okay, so now you're gonna start, part it into 3 even sections, and then you're just gonna braid once. Okay, something ain't right. Wonderful. Gonna braid once. You're gonna take your first piece of hair, and y'all, when y'all do this, just braid like your normal self. Ain't no special way to add the hair and none of that. Okay? If you watch a YouTube video and they start trying to give you 101 special ways to add in braiding hair, just don't. Please don't. Find your special way that keeps your braids nice and seamless, and do them that way. So now we're gonna add in more pieces, just to get the length going. But you don't want to add all of them, because remember I told you make 6 small pieces, right? Okay, you don't want to add all of them at the same time, because you don't want your braid to get big and then get bigger, and no. We is not going for a caterpillar braid. I mean, we kind of is, but not like a big caterpillar. If you, never mind. So y'all take your time when y'all do this. I know I'm probably braiding a little fast, but please take your time. If y'all want to see how I braid, I take this side and I go, well, okay, so you see I have the middle piece is between my index and my middle finger. This piece on my left is in between my index finger and my thumb, and this piece on my right is in between my index and my thumb on the right hand. So what I do is I turn and I move the one in my left hand. I move the one between my index and my thumb in my left hand over, and I grab it with my middle finger on the right, and then I do the same thing. It's the same thing on each hand. So like, okay, I'm gonna do it again. So you turn, you move it over, grab it with your middle finger, turn, move it over, grab it with your middle finger. That's how I braid. Can somebody please explain to me how that is weird? Please, somebody explain that to me. And eventually you can just grab your hair with your mouth, because it's gonna hurt. Just keep tugging on it, and it's actually not good for your hair. So the moment you can do this and keep braiding, go on ahead and do so, because you don't want to tug too much on your hair. Man, look, If any of my friends watching this, when it's time to play double dutch, just call me. I've been doing hair for 3 business days. Today is the last day, it's Thursday. I've been doing hair since Tuesday? No, since Monday, because I washed and conditioned my hair Monday. Tuesday I blew it out and I started parting and doing braids. Wednesday I did the middle section, and now Thursday I'm on the top. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got so far, if I can get this thing off. This is what we looking like. No, my edges, I don't know. This is hard. I got 4 more left. Wait, what is free?
Everybody is scared of Susan. Susan not even that bad. Like, to be honest, everybody, no, for real. Like, everybody is scared of Susan. The moment you tell somebody you go to Susan, they're like, oh girl, you in our prayers. Oh girl, are you okay? You tell somebody that's about to go to high school next year, you say if your profession, if you like music or dancing, you should go to Susan. The moment you say Susan, they think about the news, they think about gunshots, and somebody getting killed, and they think about somebody popping pills in the bathroom and the ambulance coming. That's all everybody that thinks about Susan thinks about. Like, it's crazy. Like, we not even that bad for real. Like, it's like, to be honest, it's a group of us that just make us, it's a group of people that make us look bad, but it's really not all that bad. Like, if we got rid of those people, for real, our school would not be that bad. And if Susan stopped putting their money towards freaking door locks and taking the bushes out the courtyard and put their money towards, let's say, getting new books and getting them daggone metal detectors in the library working, I don't know. If Susan get their act together and get stuff like that, maybe we won't be known for being on the news in the ambulance zooming up Silver Hill Road every daggone day.
Yo, I had to take a break. I started on my 4th to last one, and I'm hungry. It's probably like 3 something, almost 4, and I haven't eaten all day, so I'm about to go eat some food because the nigga is hungry. I'm starting to try to click the play button and it won't go. I literally got 3 more left, and I'm slacking like a mug for real. And I got a nice bowl of cereal. So, I'm down to my last 4. Well, now.
I got killed him, and then I had to escape the police.
Hey!
What happened?
Hey, Taylor.
Huh?
Come around on that door for me. Fuck that puppy, lock me in. You pussy ass. Get the fuck ass out. Pussy ass, nigga. That shit a joke. Ain't a fucking joke around here, man. Game for kids. Fucking kid. Pussy ass. Thank you, bitch. Fuck ass, nigga. Spit ass bitch. The top, the top. The top, man. The piece up top.
Look.
bitch. Come on, drink your dick, sucking ass, nigga. Yeah, nothing. Do me, nigga.
I'm trying to
Make
do.
some my chest.
I just want to do my hair.
Yeah, shit.
I just want to do my
Fuck
hair.
that, nigga. Lock me up. Ain't no booty bandit.
Ain't no booty bandit.
Fuck that, nigga. Crack ass, nigga. Dick, fuck ass. Come drinking in, motherfucker. Man.
Oh, y'all not laughing at this. Oh, y'all. Oh, y'all not laughing at this shit. I know you try to piss me off, but.
Fuck that, nigga. Fuck that. Bitch, I don't want your hit. Solo. Straight. Solo. All good. No pain, no gain.
You know Donald Trump got kidnapped, right?
You didn't? Yeah.
Serious. If he was kidnapped. The fuck?
Oh. Yo, let's hit him, Chuck. You're pretty, bro. You too wide. Hold on. Get up. I didn't say it. Get up. No. What? Get up. Whatever, no. I didn't say that.
She's in the car right now.
I could probably have to call him every day. Say, hey, Mr. Leroy.
He was like, he was Baltimore and said, wake up.
Go call this man at 6 o'clock on the dot.
That was funny. He was like, I ain't gonna believe that.
Nigga ain't scared of you, man. I'm standing right here, nigga. Fight your ass. Now what, nigga? You got
That was hard as hell.
No.
That was hard. He's looking at me. He feel
Leave me alone, nigga. Leave me alone.
Oh, shit.
Oh, leave me alone. Why you treat me like that, man? Bingo, sir.
I beat him. Level 5.
Put your nose in it, man. Put your nose in it.
Oh, your boy can't walk straight. You did.
Oh my god.
Oh, and it was just me in your car. She said that. She said, I don't know why, but I kind of like these videos. Because everybody.
Alright, I'm finished my braids. It took me a total of 3 business days to finish this.
3 business days. Just 3?
Now-
Just wow.
You got- Boy, go on your own camera and do that. Bye. Anyway, I'm about to just dip these ends. I'm waiting for this water to start boiling. Well, at least get hot enough for me to dip them. But y'all, these is pretty long. Oh, let me see.
Just like mine, too.
Visual representation.
I can't wait for you boxing this new girl.
But a couple of them, the ends came out, so I'm gonna have to re-braid them and dip them as soon as I finish braiding them, so that way they stay in. I should go get a couple clips, but I don't feel like it. So I'm gonna come back when this water finishes boiling.
You ain't got no rubber band to put on the end of it.
What is what?
On that, yeah, put in a rubber band and then just hold it down in the water. You got satin lotion?
Rubber bands.
You put satin lotion in it?
What's that? Whoop whoop. I got them done. Yes, sis. Y'all, that's mousse in my hair right now. That's what that white stuff is. It's drying.
So, Roger, I need to pick out my hair tomorrow.
You need to wash and condition your hair.
I've never seen a live mousse before. Like an actual mousse.
But yeah, and I got some jewelry in there. I gotta get some more because I gotta put some in the back. But I just got enough to put some in the front. And so now I'm gonna oil. Don't mind my edges, they came up from when they stained, you know, whatever. But I'm finna go wash the edge, control my edges out, oil my scalp, and I will talk to you guys more about my braids tomorrow.
Julia, why would you do that?
Y'all better stop for your mama because you want Spanish again. I promise you I'm gonna act like I'm dead. Okay, so anyway, in my last video, I said I was gonna shout out whoever got the closest number of hair packs guessed. And I want to shout out Chocolate J. She said 12. I actually bought 18 packs of hair, but I only used 16.
Just chilling.